or introduction to her family channel.
You have to take them apart, don't you?
Yeah, when you get this now, they have to assemble this for you, you know. Hope you're having a beautiful Monday. Hope you're having a blessed time. Safe. Me there, me I try to keep you safe. It look like we have to soon start cut back.
Mom and dad aren't here. They went in St. Mary, and you guys is just a little
I may have sweet potato. I'm gonna make a little sweet potato salad. So until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be. Hey YouTube family, happy Thursday to you. Happy Thursday. It is almost noon. I think it's about like half an hour to noon. So Dad, can you say good morning?
Good morning family.
Yeah. So I am here, me I go prepare some stew peas. Me I go do it the old time way. But I go leave it for soak, leave the peas to pre-soak. And I am gonna just cook it manually. I'm gonna use Jessie, so I'm gonna show you today maybe kind of like a step by step how we do it, because most of my stew peas videos we use the pressure cooker, and some people don't use it, some people don't have one. So I have some pigtail right here, so into this keg, this small keg. So I gotta take out some and I gotta put it. I mean like these not in the red something there, you know, Dad?
Yeah.
So I gotta cook a good little amount of that pig's tail there. I make a nice this Jerry loves stew peas. So I go, wow, this are the something that we then put in there for keep it. So wow, I make so much mess. I want one piece more because I not put nothing else with it.
Sit down inside.
Yeah, why? I don't know. Let me clean up the table when I'm done. I let the rhino it in, you know, so then put some hard salt. Dad, it could be through the time cold too, you know.
Yeah.
Some pretty one down the bottom there. Yeah, so I'm using a good amount of pigtail like this. This wood in, Dad.
Yeah.
And come that one red piece soup. So look like them mix it. The piece will look different, but whatever. So I make sure some left some for that getting red piece soup. So this is nice. It's not too fatty. Some of them have some little piece of fat on it, but when I'm gonna wash it off with a little lime and leave it to soak. That may go scrub it. That give me one of them lime there. So next clip family, I go wash it off and put it for soak. I'm gonna show you a whip of water. Yeah. So family, me I take piece more pig's tail because Kimmy asked me I win. Yeah. So when I have the now I make some red pea soup for Dad. Maybe with piece of fresh beef or so. She asked when me I cook stew peas in a farm. Me have to make sure it's a fair one in it. So I rinse off the heavy salt. I may have some, me have one big container. Them container St. Mary container them, you know. Big eatings and big cooking. So I want it to go in a lot of water. So I wash it. I rinse off the heavy salt. So I wash it off with the lime. And I go leave it for soak. Yeah, they're not too bad. I just want to look a piece, kind of like a fat. Not much. But the things I may have fat for pear, but I not have no fat for pear. Just maybe this. Not too. I mean, I like my pigtail and too margarine.
No.
Yeah, I mean, I like them too. Some of them I get them not even have nothing on them. So yeah. So family, the thing is, you know, and these are nice, you know, feel down here. You know, some of them you buy them, they're not even clean up the something good.
Yeah.
So that show them over in here. So now, so look here. I leave it in that amount of water. I still have to put some more water upon it, family. Because I leave it for about an hour like that. And then change the water and leave it for about another hour before I start cook. So I get some cleaning up over here, so I wash up and come back. Alright family, so you see it? I leave it in a good amount of water. I leave it about an hour. And then I'll come back, throw off the water and leave it about another hour. So I'm going to turn my attention now to my peas. So, I mean, really, that look like about 2 pounds of pigtail, yeah. That look like about 2 pounds, yep. Definitely. So you see me just eyeballing a family, and you know that from the cooking channel, I'm not really to measure as such. And look what, I'm going to put this in as I'm going to throw out some peas. And this look like about, this is not a quarter piece, this is less. I think this would be okay, ain't Dad? When soaked.
Yeah.
This look like about 2 cups of peas. Yeah, man, that's how my eyeball my thing, you know. Remember, it's dry, and you are going to, what we are going to do with it now? Pre-soak it, Dad?
Pre-soak it.
Yeah, alright, so, me I go wash it properly, and then leave it to pre-soak. But still enough. So alright, me just wash and me I throw off in my cold water. Wow! Ooh!
Take your time.
I don't put in here, man. You talk about.
Take your time.
Which don't put in here, Dad? I woman know I love stew peas. Let me see. Which don't put. Me know I love stew peas. So me I wash it right through this. And it's not the type of peas that needs a lot of picking. It not have no picking. So this also. So this now I go soak. This I won't change the water. So this I go stay there and soak till cooking time. Remember I tell them something okay now, step by step. Yeah, all time we manual, we no pressure cooker. We just deal with it slow cook on the stove. So yep. So if you got 2 pounds of peas, 2 pounds of pigtail, that is definitely 2 pounds of pigtail. Now ask about that. So I'll let the peas right here, so I'll get something to cover it over and all of that. I took out this because I think I go peer up some of the fat them because they look like it fat, but it's not that fatty. So I'll put that right there. So peas there, so pigtail there, so I'm gonna put the plate here over it, and that is the first way. That is how you start off making stew peas with pigtail on this. So family, in the next clip, 1 hour time, I'm gonna change the water. Not necessarily me have to show you. Change this water here and put it off. Remember, I'm gonna wash it in with my green lime juice and sitting. So it is the amount of water, it have enough space to run around on the salt. Just deal with the thing, and then I put it for soak. Change the water 1 hour after. And after that, when you see me, I'm gonna have it all cut up and the peas are gonna start. So Jessie here, clean and ready to go. She's ready for stew peas. It's stew peas day today on the Jamaican cooking journey, family. Family, next clip. Family, I am about to start cooking, but you see, this peas is a different peas. It swell and it come up a whole lot. So I'm not think I'm gonna use all. I'm gonna save some. I'll cook it by itself. But you know, say once it cook with the pork, you can't use it for nothing else again. So I'm gonna just use that. That's what I'm gonna be using. So right in there, I have 3 pegs of garlic. So I'm gonna put it over here. So come over here, so Dad. Come over here, so Dad. I'm gonna have it there starting cooking. Now, this is my pigtail. This is the second water. Whoa, it container heavy. And it's soak off. So what I'm gonna do now, I throw it off of the water here. And I think it's okay, Dad. We don't have a thing there. We don't think we have a skull. I don't think so. I don't think so. But that's all cut up, family. Where is my knife?
Or you just want to start it one time?
I mean, maybe when I cut it up, maybe I'm going to scal it one time. Come here, I'll cut it in a bite-sized pieces now. Oh, I think it start then. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. You realize that, Dad? Until we're done on Jericho Road. And I don't think he might go road for the rest of the day. Oh, God, so. That drain off the water, so cut it in some bite-sized piece. They have some little joints here where if you're accurate enough and find them, the knife will go through. But these days, you know, me notice, me not find the joint them, family. So you see them knife here, they can use them, put on the blade of them, no make for put on no ash nothing on it. So oh yeah, find one, right? So this is the other one. Yeah, so cut it up in a them giant here, family, bite-sized pieces, and I'm gonna probably give it a little skull. And when we come back, you will see where I'm at. Stew peas from scratch. That's what we're doing on the Jamaican cooking journey today, family. That me think you are gonna make the peanuts then. Next clip, fam. Alright now, family, we are get a little skull off right here, so whilst the peas there, because we want the peas. This peas don't seem to be a tough piece though. Not a hard piece, and it look like it a get a color right there. So once the peas is coming to a boil, this I go scald off. As soon as it start boiling, throw off the water, and then we put it in here. So in the next clip when that is happening, I'll come. Okay, family, so I'm gonna cook that little breast of peas here different. So this can easily be for a small pot of rice and peas. I'm gonna cook it in its entirety, cool it and leave it to freeze. So when I'm ready with the peg of garlic and something, so I'm gonna put it on the burner here around the back and get it on and get it all going on very low. Now see the little scalding and the scum off of the salt and something. So I'm gonna go throw it out here. So I rinse off this right about now. Yeah. Get a little rinse off. Yeah. And then I'm gonna move these pieces now. You see how it clean up to the peas. Yeah. And then it's gonna stay there and start doing its thing. It and the peas are gonna cook together. So until the water starts subsiding, then we put some more hot water. So as we go along, clean and nice. I'm gonna get the little scald off, and I know I never have much salt, but we take off the little scummy, you know, the little frothy something they know. So you know, have that in the peas with it and so you see, me have a reasonable little pot of stew peas and all of that. I think it can take a little water. The water is not really hot, but it's warm. Yeah, so no need no salt. I have garlic in and all of that on the medium to low, and I'll leave it. Peas not look bad, the peas color not look bad in there.
No.
Yeah, so medium low, 2.5 to 3, and I have my little peas. Let me turn on the peas. So family, next clip we'll see you. May I keep you on the journey of this stew peas here. Just slow cook. Okay, now family, slowly. Yeah, me just add some water there. Look at this. These are the real first time peas in that. You see color, it cut up the pigtail. Family comment a long time we not get them kind of peas here. Wow, this is good. So I'm gonna put a little more water, and it's cooking away slowly. So that is gonna make the peanuts. We are gonna put that to the test, family, in this, and we are gonna make it make the peanuts. So when you see me in the next clip, it will be almost, you know, more than 3/4 of a way cook, and then it's already now for the peanuts. But you comment and tell me a long time you not get no peas to color up the pigtail. So you saw me, I started it on the pigtail. It never the red one, you know, like the one where them put the something upon and color it up. It was just the original white color pigtail. And you see it? Yeah. Now I'm telling you, like this make you look like you want to eat stew peas. Alright, so in the next clip, Dad will be making peanuts, and it also will be time for us to put on the rice, because you know, rice and stew peas, Jamaican something. So this is my little peas there. I'm going to tell you, so we didn't have too much, and it's slowly cooking away. So make sure you don't miss that clip the way that I make peanuts. So guys, I really don't put salt in my peanuts though. I just use flour only and water. So that I'm gonna need peanuts, and he's gonna put them in the stew. So real family thing, camera girl have camera. And Dad are gonna make peanuts, and then he's gonna put them in the stew.
I'm gonna put too much water. Guys, I have just finished putting in the spinners, and I'm doing some stirring here now. Let the thing come together. So comment, tell me how camera that I'm doing. Whether I'm better on the camera or the pot. Comment.
So family, in the prior clip you see Dad putting in the peanuts. I'm putting in the, and I'm not using any coconut milk in this. Honestly, I prefer my stew peas. I really don't do my stew peas with coconut milk very often, family. I'm not telling a lie. I prefer it without coconut milk. You can comment, please. I don't know. When I cook my stew peas without coconut milk, I enjoy it more. But I think I have only 1 or 2 videos up with the coconut milk and so on. So I put in, I just mostly use like my natural seasonings, because with the pickle from the pigtail and all of them something there, you don't need too much more. But if people want, you know, people different strokes to different folks. And yes, you can see say my pigtail it coming to come. So this at the time now when I put in, and I'm gonna start deal with some stirring. You see it have it nice pretty color. I may be putting in a little basil and basically some pimento seeds in, maybe off camera like that. I'll get my pimento seed in. This is time for me start stir. That start get going with the rice and all of that, and daddy look like say the rice they want something to cover it over to make it sweat and finish steam. So family, this is where it's at and all of that. You can see say a little thing I go on, you know. Jamaica will say a little thing. It's coming to come, but it needs stirring. Remember, it's 2 peas. So time now for my mash some of my peas round to the side right there, so and so on. Yeah man. So this is what we are doing. Oh, this green scallion, this green thyme and scallion, this is the perfect thing for me and a family. I'm gonna rinse off some pimento seed. I don't really put like, you know, me not do the whole artificial seasoning, but me not really put them stuff there that my thing. So just my scallion and my thyme, pimento seed and garlic, just that, and me not really want a coconut milk. So next clip you'll see where we're at. So some basil, yeah, look at basil, not a lot, and I just put in a little dried onion flakes. So that's what I'm putting in. I may get some more stir. So I want taste now for salt perfection. It's good. Yeah, I don't really, me just like to keep my pickled flavor like that family. So look, that's what me I go do now constantly, you know. Scrape round. Yeah, and in the next 15-20 minutes on the medium heat, yeah, medium to low heat, it will just come together. I have enough peas and I do have peanuts, so this thing now ready for come together. The nice rigorous steers, this one them center steer that me always when me I share tutorials. Yeah, that is gonna make it start coming together. You can see it. No cornstarch and them something there. So I don't have nothing more to put in it. Literally nothing more. So I'm gonna do some vegetables. I think in the next clip these 2 peas and white rice will be ready. So family, this is our finished stew peas, and we got the red color from start to finish. This is how we peas used to color up with meat and something. So this is what I've plated up for you. Please do enjoy. If you have watched and you have come thus far in this video, make sure, I just want to say thank you, and make sure that you give me a big fat thumbs up. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for other videos. When you do subscribe, hit the notification bell, go to the right where there are 3 options, press the option that says all, and make sure that you get all my videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the love and support. Remember, we are coming with new videos and more intense and different type of stuff as a family. Thanks for the love so far. Thanks for the support and all of that. And your post notifications will be right here. Yes, I'm sweating. The kitchen is popping with heat. There is this rain, sun, and I don't know what's happening, but that's how it is. Thanks once more, and until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao.